Meaning of formalin.
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 Formalin. Formalin is a colorless liquid used as a disinfectant and preservative. It contains 37% formaldehyde gas dissolved in water. When it comes into contact with tissues, formalin causes proteins to cross-link, which stiffens and preserves the tissue. This process, known as fixation, can be used for scientific research or to preserve biological specimens. However, formalin is toxic and can cause irritation to the eyes, skin, and respiratory system. Long-term exposure to formalin has also been linked to cancer. It should be handled with caution and proper ventilation.